The Indian consulate in San Francisco was attacked once again by Khalistani extremists on Sunday, making it the second attack within 5 months. It was set on fire in the wee hours of Sunday morning between 1:30 and 2:30 a.m. A video by Khalistan supporters dated July 2nd, 2023 posted on Twitter showed the act of fire setting at the Indian consulate in San Francisco. The video with the words "Violence begets violence" written over it also showed news articles related to the death of Canada-based Khalistan Tiger Force chief Hardeep Singh Nijjar. While the damage was limited, no staffers were injured in the incident. Nijjar, one of India's most wanted terrorists who had a cash reward of rupees 10 lakh on his head, was gunned down outside a Gurdwara in Canada last month. The US Department of State has strongly condemned the act of violence and attempted arson by pro-Khalistan supporters at the Indian consulate in San Francisco. The US strongly condemns the reported vandalism and attempted arson against the Indian consulate in San Francisco on Sunday. Vandalism or violence against diplomatic facilities or foreign diplomats in the US is a criminal offense, Matthew Miller, spokesperson for the US State Department, tweeted. In March, a group of pro-Khalistan supporters attacked and damaged the Indian consulate in San Francisco, prompting sharp condemnation from Indian Americans who demanded immediate action against those responsible for it. Raising pro-Khalistan slogans, the protesters broke open the makeshift security barriers raised by the city police and installed two so-called Khalistani flags inside the consulate premises. Two consulate personnel soon removed these flags. Soon after, a group of angry protesters entered the consulate premises and started hitting the door and windows with the iron rods. Community leader Ajay Bhutoria strongly condemned the attack by pro-Khalistan protesters on the Consulate of Indian building in San Francisco. This act of violence is not only a threat to the diplomatic relations between the US and India, but also an attack on the peace and harmony of our community, he said.
Subscribe to One India channel and never miss an update.